What's going on, everybody? So the girlfriend just came in the apartment with a box. I don't know if that's backwards to you or not, but I did not know that I was getting this. I canceled my subscription, and I did not know that they processed one last box. So this is pretty exciting. Let's go ahead and open this. Of course, we always get the golden ticket. I think my favorite part of these is the stickers that you get. Right. And they always come with a little booklet. Tells you a little bit about the baits. Got our Lucky Tackle Box sticker. Pretty neat. Not a Canada one, but I'll take it. What do we have here? We have ourselves, what do they call this? A wagon shad. This is deep dive. See if I can get this to focus in. A wagon shad, deep dive and crank. Just a classic spoon. It's blue and silver. It's called a Flutter Magic. 12 grams. Looks like something I would have used for saltwater fishing. What do we got here? Some soft plastic hooks, 3/0. I don't know why this camera's not focusing in. It's on autofocus. But yeah, it's just some 3/0 hooks, 3 of them, for some soft plastics. Here we go. Get some Rage Tails, Strike Kings, some Craws. These ones actually have coffee scent. I haven't really checked out these coffee scent baits before, so we're gonna pop this open and have a sniff. Let's see here. Pull these out. They're green pumpkin. I don't really smell any coffee, but let's see here. Is that focused? Just some green pumpkin. You could probably throw this as a jig trailer, or just rig it on one of the hooks we got. I don't smell the coffee. Baiwa. Tail gunner. Just some swim baits. Nice swim baits. They're purple and blue. 3 of them, 4 of them. We got 4 of them. Jeez. Swim baits here. You throw in a Texas rig, for example. Let's just show you. So I'll rig this up. We got our 3/0 hook right here. Okay. Now, when you're rigging the swim bait, you don't want it bunched up on the hook. So you want to take it, nose hook it, no more than a 1/4 inch, no less than 1/8 of an inch from the nose, as you can see. And then you're gonna slide it up to the eye of the hook. Okay. And then we measure the shank, right here, the shank of the hook, and you can see where it needs to come out of the swim bait. Now you can see the line on top of the swim bait. That's where you want to come through the back. This keeps you centered on the swim bait. And as you can see, when this focuses, give it a second here. Alright, I'm going to come out through the back right here. there you go. So we know we're centered. We're centered on the whole swim bait. As you can see, we turn it very centered. If you flip it over, when I focus in, you can see that this shank is in line with this line on the swim bait. So if I let go, it's perfectly in line. So you know you're gonna get proper action when using the swim bait. So there you go, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If my channel does pick up, I will subscribe to these guys again, and we'll get some hooks, we'll do some challenges, and we'll have some fun.